Let's continue working on the hand. One of the things that gets difficult when you can't see in the model is your other model gets in the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on X-ray. We're going to select all the polygons of the hand. And then after we do that, we want to invert the selection. So we can go select, invert, or hit Control-I. So now you'll see the body is selected. If we hit H on the keyboard, that's going to hide everything. So now we can pretty much work on the hand and we don't have to worry about anything else getting in the way. So there's a lot of stuff going on here that I don't care for. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do I'm going to split like that. And we'll dissolve that. We'll dissolve that edge. And I think select those two, will merge at center. Then we'll come around like that and we'll split all that. We can dissolve that edge. We can dissolve that edge. I'm going to get rid of both of these. Dissolve both of those. Okay, so now we have quads going down to the end. And then here on the tip, we're going to do like we did before. We're going to split that one. We're going to split that one. We're going to dissolve that edge. And we're going to dissolve that edge. So now, here we have the exact same problem that we had on the index finger. It looks really flat. There's no definition to it. So what we're going to do now, first thing we want to do is frame this up. hit the numpad period key. I'm actually going to turn that mirror off. Okay. So let's start pulling some of these forms in. Again, we're not trying to make things perfect here. We're just trying to get some of our forms in there. Trying to make things seem a little bit more natural. Okay, so one of the things that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to split in between those. And as we bring those down, this will be a problem. So I'm going to split there first. Now, we already have a split going down the other side, so that's good. This split that's here and this one, that goes around there is going to allow us to pull some of these forms out. Give the fingers a little bit more volume. Remember what I was saying too, to flip back and forth, check things out. Okay. I'm not going to worry too much about this triangle for right now. when we switch over and subdivide it, we get this. One of the things I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually model out the claws, cut these out, and stick them in there when we do the sculpting. So I'm not going to worry about that for the moment. But in the next video, we'll carry on with the next finger.